Hi guys, this is our Exquisite Detail. Hope you're all well. My name is Lee and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing and testing a few products from this new brand SuperFactor. So big shout out to them for sending me this gift box with a few of their products that we're going to check out. And if you'd like this gift box or any of their other mini products, you can go check out their site. I'll leave it linked in the description below. So I'm going to start off by talking about the brand a little, then going through each of these products and reviewing them and showing you them in action, and also talking about some of the other products they have to offer. So with all that guys, sit back and let's get into the video. SuperFactor is a new local brand manufactured here in South Africa. They produce a wide range of premium car care products at affordable prices. So the products here comes in their gift box, which you can get for 695 Rand, which comes with their Super Foam Shampoo, their Super Glaze Protectant, the Super Tyre Dressing, and their Super Fresh Air Freshener. It also comes with a microfiber towel and a few disc holders with SuperFactor branding on it, as well as a note from the company. As you can see from the unboxing, it's very posh. It comes in this fancy box with the shredded mesh where all the products are. It's as if you're unboxing some sort of cosmetic. This would make a very nice gift for any car enthusiast. Even if you don't know the brand, the whole first impressions of the unboxing is very impressive. Will the products be impressive? Well, that's what we're going to find out. So like I said guys, you can get this in the gift box, but you can buy any of these products individually. As I run through them, I will give you the prices of them as I go along. So first up, we have their Super Foam, which is their pure car shampoo. It can be used in a bucket or a foam cannon. It doesn't contain any waxes or gloss enhancers. They do offer their Super Wax, which is their more traditional wash and wax shampoo. So the Super Foam costs 120 Rand for 500 ml. So the dilution they say to use is 1:50. Now that did seem a bit excessive. Let's say you have 10 liters of wash solution, you need to use 200 ml of product, which is almost half the bottle. I did some experimenting and I tried a few different quantities, and I found that 50 to 100 ml for around 10 to 15 liters of water is all you need. I actually used 50 ml of product for about 12 liters of water and it was fine. It made a lot of suds in the bucket. The actual wash solution had a lot of lubrication, which is very important. It made the wash mud easily glide over the surface. It also puts a lot of suds on the car so you know what you have and have not washed. The product says it has a pH of 7.2 to 7.8, so pretty much pH neutral, and it's safe to use on all exterior surfaces of your vehicle. It also will not strip any of your waxes and sealants. One benefit of it being a slightly higher pH is that it did clean very well. The dirt from the car seemed to just release with one swipe of the wash mitt. When using it in a foam cannon, I was actually told to use 100 ml per 500 ml of water. I did try 50 ml for 500 ml of water, and as you can see, it was a bit runny. I then bumped it up to the recommended 100 ml for 500 ml of water, and now as you can see, the foam is quite thick and it did dwell on the surface for an adequate amount of time. However, most of my snow foam quantities I give for an entire 1 liter snow foam container, so that means you're going to need almost 200 ml for a 1 liter snow foam, which does seem a bit excessive and then doesn't make this product very cost effective. Now I have spoken to them and they did say they're working on a dedicated snow foam, which should be a lot better. So the actual Super Foam, I would avoid using it in a snow foam cannon just because it's not very cost effective. However, where it does strive is being used as a dedicated wash shampoo in your bucket for a contact wash. All in all, it is a great product. Next up, we have their Super Glaze, which is their long-term protectant that is said to last up to 6 months. On its own, it costs 195 Rand for 500 ml. On the bottle, this is said to be step 3. They do have step 1, which is their super cut, and step 2, which is their super polish, and that is their cutting compound and polish respectively. Their polish is sort of an all-in-one because it does have slight protection in it. The consistency of this product is quite runny. It's not water, but it's close to it. This does help it spread over the paint very easily though. So you can either apply it by hand application or a machine polisher. You put a small amount on the applicator, spread it on the surface, and then allow it to dry. I would say you only have to wait about 2 minutes for the product to dry. You can do a finger swipe test, which will then remove the product cleanly and you know it's ready to buff off. Removing this product is just as easy as applying it, 1 or 2 wipes and then it's completely gone. I would say do about 2 to 4 panels at a time and then buff it off and continue to work around the car. So the glaze made the paint feel a bit smoother and it did a decent job at hiding minor swirls. Me personally, I like to correct the paint before applying any protection on it, but I understand some people don't have the facilities or time to do that, and that's why you'd use a glaze. So a glaze is generally a base coat and then you normally put something on top of it. I feel that this product could really benefit from something like that. The only complaint I have about this product is that the finish it gave wasn't as shiny as I would like it. It seems to leave a slight haze on the surface, so it doesn't make the paint as shiny as it could be. That's why I do recommend maybe putting a Canubo wax or some sort of spray wax on top of it. SuperFactor, if you are watching this, maybe you could make step 4, which is like your super shine, which is like some sort of spray wax that can be layered on top of the glaze that makes it a lot shinier. Maybe that could be a future product and I would like to try that out. I then did a durability test on this product and this is where it did do quite well. Just a quick before shot at the water behavior. And a closer look at the beading. So to start off the durability test, I did a few washes and then a couple hits with the APC cleaner. It seemed to resist all of this quite well, and it still had its hydrophobic properties. I then hit it with an iron fallout removing wheel cleaner, and this is only when it started to slow down, which is not bad considering that this is not a ceramic based product. With the second hit of the iron fallout removing wheel cleaner, I would say it's pretty much gone at this point. I would say realistically that this product will last about 3 to 4 months and then need topping up. So it did quite well in the durability and it is a nice product, it just could benefit from some sort of topper. Next up we have their Super Tyre, which is their Tyre Dressing. This is the matte version I have here. They do offer a glossy one. This comes in at 149 Rand for 500 ml. So of course thoroughly clean your tires before applying a new dressing. You put a little onto an applicator pad and then massage it into the tire. You then leave it to dry for a few minutes. The consistency of this product was a bit runny and it was a clear solution. So this does actually look like a generic silicone tire dressing. However, I did test it out and this is actually water-based, unlike the more generic, cheaper silicone-based dressings. So being water-based, it doesn't leave a very sticky touch on the tires and it minimizes the amount of sling you get onto your paintwork. So after letting the product dry, the finish of it, I wouldn't actually call it matte. It's sort of a sheen to a light gloss. It was a bit too shiny for my taste. I can only imagine how shiny the glossy one is. However, some people do like the shiny look, and on lighter color vehicles such as white and silver, it does look good to have shiny tires. The shiny tires does help the car pop a little if your paint is a bit muted. However, this product did make the tire look a whole lot better from when it was undressed to now, and I would say it's quite a decent tire dressing. Also guys, none of the products I mentioned previously have a scent to them. They all sort of smell a bit chemically, nothing too harsh but also nothing pleasant. Of course, the one product that does have a nice scent to it is their Air Freshener, which is their Super Fresh. So this is the last product that we have in the lineup and it comes in a bunch of scents such as lemon, baby powder and cherry. I have the sweet lavender here. When you do purchase the entire gift box, they do ask you what scent you want, which is very nice. But you can purchase any of the air freshener scents individually. The sweet lavender we have here, well, it smells as you would expect, like lavender. It is potent, so you don't need a lot, about 4 to 6 sprays in each footwell. A quick tip to apply an air freshener is to put the aircon on quite high and then put on recirculate. Then proceed to spray it into the footwells, close the doors and let it sit for about 30 seconds. This just helps the air freshener distribute in the cabin a bit better, and every time you start your car you get a nice fresh smell through the air conditioning. Also avoid spraying this onto your dash, windscreen or center console. All in all, quite a pleasant smelling air freshener. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to check out any of SuperFactor's products, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you enjoyed, please hit like and also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my future product reviews and detailing videos. Also feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions on these products. Also if you have used these products, I'd like to hear your experiences on them. Well, with all that guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all on the next one.